Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Miles.
And it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. The Mukbang show, we're not going to jump around like crazy and act like clowns if it's not spicy. And this is your second mukbang, and we have a working camera. We're using a DSLR with actually what's funny for the review today. Here's what we're having. It's taco Buldak. And check, this is the lens cap for the lens I'm using, which is really funny because that's the company, same name as the company that makes Taco Buldak. So first things first, let's have a sip of a beverage. Now, grab your weapon. Ready?
Ready.
Set?
Go. Oh. This tastes really good.
You like the flavor, you just don't like the texture.
Yeah, I just don't like the texture.
Okay, I can get with that.
Yeah.
I like both, but you should try some more, see how hot it gets.
Okay.
I mean, if you gotta spit it out, you gotta spit it out, but
Okay.
you know. You suck it down, dude. It's a mukbang. You have the power. It tastes like somebody took something spicy and some taco seasoning, and they just mushed it together and put it on noodles. I mean, it's not bad. As far as heat level goes, this is maybe like a of the original Bulldog, maybe 0.25x, maybe 0.125x. It's really not hot. I mean, it's spicy. What do you think about the heat level?
I think it's spicy for me.
Yeah? Are you actually eating this stuff?
What?
Are you actually eating this stuff?
Yeah.
Wow. That's really good, dude.
Yeah.
Right on. Keep going.
My lips are burning.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. You can try more if you want to. You're doing great.
I'm full.
You're full.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, Miles is not a big fan of warm food, nor is he a fan of mushy food. So that's really good, dude. I'm proud of you.
Yeah.
And he was the one who decided of the varieties we had on hand that today we would do the taco flavor. So that's cool.
Yeah.
You like the Bulldog chips. You really want to try the Bulldog sauce, huh?
Yeah. I wonder what it's like.
I had it a while back. It wasn't bad. I mean, it tasted like Bulldog, but it wasn't incredibly strong. It wasn't weak, but, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty good. I already reviewed this. That's why it's like not in a fantastic looking presentation method. If you want to see the review of this, you can see it soon. Here's a picture of what I did initially with it. And yeah. But yeah, this is really cool. You might have seen the last mukbang me and Miles did together, and it didn't work out so well because I was using a GoPro. Well, right now you're viewing us with a Canon 5DS body with a Samyang ultra wide lens on it. And I was thinking, man, I need a wide angle lens so I can do this. And I'm so new to camera stuff. I was gifted this lens, and it turns out it's a wide angle lens. And then I read that it works better on a full frame camera rather than a cropped frame camera, more new jargon for me. And it works. It's like it's sitting right in front of us, and it's got enough of an angle, so that's cool. So what do you think? Do you want to do a lot more trying this kind of stuff? I mean, not this particularly today, but of Buldak varieties?
Some that are not spicy.
There are some that are much less spicy.
Yeah.
I thought you wanted to do the 2X, though.
Yeah, I do.
That's spicier.
Ooh.
You'll definitely feel that. Done. Yeah, I like that one. That one's really good. I think paired with like a little bit of ground beef, slap some cheese on it, you know, maybe a little sour cream, guacamole. Remember, don't say guac, say guacamole. Why deny yourself the enjoyment of saying such a wonderful word? Guacamole.
Guacamole.
See, isn't it fun? It's much better than just saying guac, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.